In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox mouse cursor going off screen. Now guys, we have links in the description with tons of helpful resources, so definitely check that out. Now, this is what fixed it for me, and I can only speak on what worked for me. And the issue on my side was that I had downloaded it from Microsoft Store. Now, for some reason, the Microsoft Store version just doesn't seem to play well. So step one would be to uninstall the one that you got from Microsoft Store. So you would just go to the search bar and you would type in Roblox, right click on it once you do find it, and click on uninstall. And don't worry, once you sign back in, you will still have all of your stuff. Now what we're going to do is you're going to go to the link that I have put in the description, and that is going to be to download Roblox Player from the actual Roblox website. So that'll take you straight here, and then you're just going to click on download. And then this is going to give you an installer, and you're just going to click on that installer and let it run and install Roblox. And once that's done, all you need to do is sign back into Roblox. Problem solved. And it will now be launching through something called Roblox Player instead of just the normal Roblox. Specifically, it's Roblox Player Beta, but this will be the default launching application. And that is it, guys. That is what fixed the problem for me, and I really hope it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to check out the links in the description of this video. And remember, the Roblox download link is also in the description of this video. And I'll see you in the next one.